Have you ever wondered why you can't keep your eyes open when you sneeze? Some people think it's to protect your eyes from popping out, but the truth is way more interesting than that. What's really happening involves an automatic reflex in your brain that takes complete control away from you for a split second. So how does it work? I'll tell you. But if you've ever sneezed before, tap the like button, click subscribe, then share, and tap the copy link, and you will see this. Amazing! Here's the truth. When you sneeze, your brain sends signals through the same nerve pathways that control both your nose and eyelids. This involuntary reflex forcefully closes your eyes to protect them from germs and particles being expelled at over 100 miles per hour during the sneeze.